Welcome to this video where today we are going to be looking at the trains that I caught around Scotland during the months of August and September 2021. So first it's off to Carluke on the 21st of August where we see 66782 working the 6 Echo 32, 1236 Mossend PD Stirling to Hunslet Tilkin. Then we go to the 26th of August where we see 66718 running 4S69, the 1604 Doncaster Port to Elderslie, seen here passing Helington East. Then that brings us into September, where we go to the day of the GBRF tour, where we go to Gartcosh to see 6K15, the 1624 Millerhill SS to Connel Ferry ballast job with 37057 and 37219. Then we go to Bargeddie where we see 66004 Climate Hero running the OZ67 Glasgow Central to Mossend DR on the 15th of September. Then 4 days later on the 19th we see 66097 running 1Z66 Crewe to Bowness Junction Exchange with the return of the SRPS stock. This is Garnqueen. Then fast forward in a bit to the 20th, where we see the beginning of the Glasgow RHTT season with DR 98906 running the 3S91 Springburn to Mossend circuit seen here at Hydland at 1207. Then later that day at Motherwell we see 5MO3 at 1636 with 325012 and 003. Next we head up the line to Whifflet, where we see 4M80, the 1640 Coatbridge to Crewe modal with 90044 and 047. That's true. Then heading just up the line a bit to Coatbridge itself, where we see Olima 81, the 1721 Mossend local holding sign to Coatbridge FLT move with 90015 and 005. Then would come 4 Echo 99, the delayed 1714, turn up at 1736, Grangemouth to South Bank Tees Docks with 66097. Next would be 66301 on 4D47, the Monday to Saturday Inverness modal to Mossend from Inverness. Fast forward into the 22nd of September, where at Bowling we would see 6X35, the 1936 Millerhill SS to Connel Ferry with 37685. Then to Cardross on Saturday the 27th, where we see 5Z68, the 1413 West Coast Private Charter to Glenfinnan from Carnforth with 57601 and the Queen of Scott coaches. Then finally, rounding out the video, we go down the Ayrshire coast to Ayrshire itself to see 37219 and 116 working 1QX75, the 1915 Mossend to Mossend PLPR test train.